There's a brand new tool in the market, the latest version of Sora called Sora 2. It's so advanced that it's almost impossible to tell whether a video is AI generated or not. So today, using this exact tool, I'll show you how to create professional level ads step by step. But before we start the video, just a quick request. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I have an ad idea. I uploaded a reference image of a jumping rope and gave Sora this prompt. Create a realistic 15-second energetic ad for a premium jumping rope inside a bright white gym room. Show an aesthetic Gen Z girl doing fast, smooth jump rope moves with confident rhythm and effortless comfort. The camera tracks her dynamically with quick pans, low angles, and slow motion close-ups of the rope and her feet. Keep lighting clean, white, and natural to highlight motion and energy. Focus on the feeling of lightness and control rather than heavy workout strain. End with her smiling calmly as the rope lands beside her and text appears, "Move freely, feel strong." Then I hit run. After a short wait, our video is finally ready. And just look at this.
Move freely, feel strong.
Just look at this. Sora 2 added such accurate physics, sound effects, and voiceover that no one could ever guess this is AI generated. Now my next idea is to create a cream ad. I'll upload an image of a cream product, and in the prompt box I'll type, "Create a 15-second cream commercial showing a young girl with a slightly dark skin tone in soft daylight." The camera stays focused on her face as she gently applies the cream. Capture a natural live transformation. Her skin becomes visibly brighter, softer, and glowing with subtle movement. Keep lighting warm and clean to emphasize freshness and radiance. Focus on natural beauty, not makeup. End with her smiling confidently at the camera as the text appears, "Pure glow, real result." We'll run the prompt and check the result. And wow, just look at that.
Meet the moisturizer that brings out your natural glow. Lightweight yet deeply nourishing. It melts in as you smooth it on. Evening tone and softening texture. Instantly, skin looks brighter, feels silky, and radiates health. Pure glow. Real results.
AI is truly becoming a game changer. Now let's make another ad. This time for headphones. I'll use this prompt. Create a 15-second influencer-style video review for wireless headphones. Show a confident Gen Z creator talking directly to the camera with fast, energetic pacing. Once again, we'll run the prompt, and look at this result.
These are the new JVC wireless headphones, and honestly, they're my favorite thing right now. In the studio, they're super comfy. Pillowy pads, clean design, easy controls. Out on the street, the fit stays perfect and the sound stays rich, even with city noise. And at the gym, they don't budge. I can swing, jump, whatever. They stay locked in.
Honestly, people spend thousands to make ads like these, but Sora 2 has made it so easy. Now I thought, why not make a perfume ad too? Basically, I'm showing you how to create every type of ad. So, I uploaded this perfume image and added this prompt along with it. Then we ran the prompt, and just look at the result.
Some scents are loud, too much this early. They cling and crowd the room. I needed space to breathe. Then I found Valora. Soft, clean, like morning sunlight on skin. It feels like me. Quiet, confident, free.
Literally, the way it kept the video's theme in a sweet, light, and soft morning tone, it totally won my heart. Another idea came to my mind. This time, a premium watch ad. I'll upload a photo of a luxury watch and give it this prompt. Remember, I haven't mentioned any brand name myself. Sora is so advanced it can automatically detect 100% accurate designs directly from the product image. We'll keep the orientation on portrait mode and select the maximum video length. Now let's run the prompt. Check out the result.
Time and Motion, the new Zero smartwatch.
It perfectly synced the sound effects, fast motion transitions, and voice, all consistent just like a professional ad. It even used a real brand name on its own. So, how did you like this video? If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. And by the way, Sora 2 is currently available only in the USA, but if you still want to access it, you can use the Arcades platform to get in. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.